For all the latest from the world of motoring, hit that subscribe button and stay connected.
The RC390 from KTM along with the Duke defined what performance and handling is all about in its segment. It did all this while still being relatively inexpensive. Arjun, who joins us today, got his RC in March 2017 and uses it as his daily ride and for the occasional track day. Hi Arjun, welcome to the show. Well, the RC390 needs no introduction and you have the updated 2017 version. So what made you choose this bike and how has your experience been since?
Hi Swati, it's good to be here. I previously had a Pulsar 180 and I was more aggressive on the bike and I have ridden 36,000 kilometers on that bike. And I wanted to upgrade this bike this year. So I checked out in market like many bikes. I preferred the RC390 and this was my only choice according to my budget, my style and and the love I had on RC390. And this bike I bought it because of the ride-by-wire and the Metzeler tires, slipper clutch and everything I was looking out for the bike, and everything was there on this bike. So I loved this bike and I picked it up this bike.
Well, the RC390 engine is the most powerful out there in its segment. So how has your experience been with it in real life conditions?
This RC390 is more faster in 300cc category. This bike I use it for touring, tracking and as well as daily purpose. This bike is more manageable comparing to the previous RC390 because of the ride-by-wire, and I am very thankful for that. And the performance on this bike is very manageable, and they have changed the exhaust from underbelly exhaust to side mount exhaust, which is more smoother and more throatier. The engine is more refined than the previous RC390. It is very smoother to ride on city and for track everything. And I have clocked the top speed of 178 and there is no vibration. I have done touring as well and I get the mileage of around 22 in city and 25 on touring, and I'm very happy with the mileage and the performance on this bike.
Well, the RC390 is known for its sharp handling and braking. So how has your experience been with it in real life conditions?
The main reason why I choose this bike is because of handling and braking. The braking on this bike is more powerful than the previous RC390 because the braking dimension they have changed it from 300 to 320 mm, which is more powerful, and the handling on this bike is well designed. Me being a track focused guy, I wanted to go fastest on the corners. It gives me a full confidence with this bike, and the tires on this bike is very good to lean. It gives me even more confident to lean on the cornering. This tires gives more confidence in any road conditions.
Alright, so what are the running and service costs of the RC390 and are you happy with the service and support provided by the company?
The maintenance of this bike is very easy and the service cost is very much affordable, and the quality of the service is very good, and so far I have not faced any issues.
Okay, so finally, do you suggest any changes or modifications to make the bike and the ownership experience any better?
So far I have not made any modification to this bike because the bike comes with everything I was looking for, like wider mirrors and adjustable levers. Then the seat is very much comfortable and more smooth, and it comes with big wider screen. It reduces the wind blast.
Alright Arjun, thank you so much for being on the show. It was great having you here.
Thank you so much, Swati. Thank you.
So the 2017 version of the RC 390 is more refined, has better brakes and overall a much better package than before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for all the latest reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.